In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Xcode. Xcode is Apple's IDE required for creating iPhone apps, and it's available for free in the Mac App Store. Once you launch the App Store, you can just search for Xcode, and you'll find it's a free download. Click on Install App in the App Store, enter your Apple ID, and then you can download it. The download is just over 2 gigabytes and it will take quite some time to download. I'll fast forward to show you how to install it. Now that the download is complete, you can see in Mission Control that Xcode is installing. When Xcode is finished, you'll be able to find the application in your Apps folder. Thank you for watching this video tutorial from AppByNumbers.